In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply Zentangles to your feather template. You'll have this Zentangle pattern and you'll have this worksheet, and you're going to follow the directions to apply the Zentangles to the worksheet with a couple goals. First, you're going to divide the feather up into at least 10 sections with your pencil. The other goal is that you want to add a variety of Zentangle patterns that represent low, mid, and high value. So some patterns will be filled with just lines, and that would be a low value. Some patterns will be lines with some fill-in, and that would be mid value. And then there'll be some patterns that have a lot of fill-in, and that makes the pattern appear as though it's dark so that it has high value. And these varieties of Zentangles, as you work with them, are a mixture of meditation and art. Zentangles were created by American artists, and it was the combination of the line focus and the design that gives it a meditative quality. So this is a very calming and soothing activity, something that you'll probably practice more than once in art class. And if not, it's always a great activity for you if you're feeling stressed or need a little unwind. It's a great way to just doodle away and kind of clear your mind. So as you're working today, be aware of the different patterns, and you can always make up your own. And then enjoy this process. Take your time and make sure your patterns are nice and neat, and make sure you represent those 3 values that I mentioned.